Hi everyone, welcome again to our YouTube channel. My name is Shubham Y Shah. In today's video, we are going to discuss an amazing opportunities in the domain of data analytics, where currently many of the opportunities are listed. It is totally work from home and you can work from the comfort of your place. You don't need to visit your office or it is not a hybrid model, 100% remote. Which companies are there, where to apply, how to apply, who all are eligible, what are the perks and benefits, and after the internship, will you getting replacement offer or not? It will be answered in today's video. So make sure that you're watching this video till end. If you're visiting our channel for the very first time, then I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You will be getting all the latest notifications from our side. If you want to grow at the global stage, we have already created a global level community on WhatsApp, where you'll be finding WhatsApp channel, and on Telegram you will be finding discussion group. For more update, you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can also follow our LinkedIn and Instagram official page. And if you want to connect one-to-one with me, then you will be finding the link in the description itself. So without wasting further time, let's connect to our.
Hi everyone, welcome again to our YouTube channel. The company providing first opportunity is ERP Launchpad. Here you will be expecting a monthly stipend of 3.5k to 6,000 per month respectively. Here you need low code or no code development. The candidate eligible are engineering student, postgraduate, undergraduate, fresher, management, arts, commerce, science and other. Details provided are responsible for the candidate means if you are getting shortlisted and fortunately you are grabbing this opportunity, what are the day-to-day responsibility? Starting with, you must be good with Google Workspace tools such as AppSet, Google Sheet, AppScript, Locker Studio to develop custom web application. Create detailed report by integrating multiple data sources and applying advanced formula and function. Develop and enhance feature based on client specific requirement and business need. Ensure smooth functionality, performance and usability of application. Identify, debug and resolve system issues effectively to maintain reliability. It is for pan India and 6-month opportunity. Minimum stipend 3.5k and maximum 6k per month. 5 days per working and work from home you can do as in part-time. Next opportunity is from the Fortune Analytics. Here the stipend is more as compared to the previous opportunity. It is 12,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. Data analytics core domain. Eligible candidates are engineering student, postgraduate, undergraduate and fresher are most welcome. Roles and responsibility, I will be giving you main pointers for the opportunity as all the opportunity are in the data analytics and data science domain. So we won't be wasting much time in repeating all of the opportunity line by line. Role include assisting in collecting, cleaning, analyzing large data set to support business decision. You will be supporting data driving strategy to improve efficient and growth. Responsibility will include analyzing of dataset using tools like Python, SQL and Excel. Generate periodic report and present insight to stakeholder. Next opportunity is the same. The stipend is also same, but here there are responsibility which is over and above the previous one. You have to conduct EDM, that is explorative data analysis, to identify trends and pattern. Work with the cross-functional team to define data requirement and KPIs. Implement data models and normalization technique for efficient querying. You have to perform A/B testing and statistical analysis for business insight. You must be ensuring data accuracy, integrating and security standard. Here SQL will be preferred, like PostSQL is more preferred, Python and R will be preferred. And our last opportunity for this video is data science intensive. You will be getting up to 12k stipend with minimum 7k base. AI and data science responsibility are the same, like you have to develop and implement data driven solution to solve business problem. You must be monitoring and analyzing system performance, suggesting improvement. You must be proficient in programming language such as Python, R and SQL. Experience with data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI. Knowledge of machine learning algorithm and techniques. Excellent problem solving skill and analytical skill. Strong communication and interpersonal skill. Additional information, it will be 2 month maximum stipend 12k 6K with base 7K. We will be providing all of the 4 opportunities link in the description itself. You can apply for 4 or any which you feel that you are a right candidate. Thank you so much for showing your love and support and watching this video till end. We will be coming back with another great opportunity very soon. Till then, take care and bye.